Hello, my name is Andres Venter. I have spent the last 6 years researching how big hedge funds trade their money, and I believe I have figured it out. They use an approach called systems trading. I'm currently trading a fully automated system strategy called trend following on stocks. In 2016, I was a junior in college at UT Austin. That year, we had the presidential election, which Trump unexpectedly won. I can remember listening to a news anchor interviewing Carl Icahn the next morning, who had been at the Trump campaign headquarters, but mentioned that he rushed home to submit trades that night because the stock market started rallying, and that became the beginning of a massive bull market. At around 2 a.m. this morning, Trump was declared the winner of the 2024 election, and I want to show you the impact this election result had on my trading system performance. Okay, we're looking at a screenshot here of my dashboard, and over here you can see that today's performance was pretty massive. Well, historically for my account, the account is up 2.23%, which I'm pretty stoked about. We're going to look at some of the individual positions shortly. But even something to note is that even the day of election, prior to us knowing the result, during that trading session, the market was already up by 1%, even though we didn't know what the result was going to be. So that was very interesting for me to observe. All right, now we're looking at my Trader Workstation dashboard, and we can see if you go back to some of my previous videos. This Huntington Bank Shares Inc. used to be one of the lower performing positions, but it really saw not just overnight gapping, so really strong buying overnight, but during the trading day today, we saw additional rallying. Bank of New York Mellon Corp, it had a pretty massive gap up and rallied initially early in the day, but it traded a little lower towards the end of the trading day today. Walmart, we saw a little bit of volatility, kind of rallying up, but then pulling quite a bit down, and then kind of closed in the middle. Duke Energy is an interesting one. It gapped up overnight, but also sold off throughout the day. And then Altria Group, this candle was actually quite a few days before the election. So the election didn't have too much of an impact on this position. Then Kenvue is the only position I have that reacted negatively to the news of Trump being elected as the next president of the United States. All right, that concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back for my regular end of month performance review. I just thought this was something unique to do since we had the election results come in early this morning. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.